Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tarot King. If you like the tarot readings, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Hello friends, this reading is for Union Budget 2021, which will be presented by Finance Minister Mrs. Nirmala Sitharaman. Now, first, what Mr. Modi is thinking about this budget. Judgment card. So looks like he is going to make some big announcements, especially for healthcare sector. Then what Nirmala Sitharaman, finance minister, is thinking about this union budget. Now looks like she is very much confused and tensed because this person, the Prime Minister, must have given her the task and she must be finding it very difficult to accommodate what what Prime Minister has asked her to do. So that's why it looks like she is very much worried and tensed as how she can accommodate everything and still she can present a very well balanced budget. So that's why she looks very tensed. Now, what the Prime Minister wants or what is he planning? These two cards. So looks like he wants to give stress on business and exports, business expansions and exports. That will be his theme. Now, what are the two major what she wants, Nirmala Sitharaman, what two major priority she will give in this budget? What are her two major priorities in this budget 2021? So first is, looking at this card, looks like those poor laborers, then farmers, or any kind of poor who were affected by pandemic. Looks like those people will be in her priority list. And second, her second priority will be like encouraging youth for business, like giving business loans to youths or some kind of scheme she will come up for youth, young guns. Then what will be there for middle class? Can they think of some kind of tax benefit? Looking at these two cards for Nirmala Sitharaman and for Mr. Modi, so looks like Mr. Modi rightly thinks that middle class is the real force which is taking most of the burden of taxes. So here Mr. Modi and Mrs. Sitharaman both are thinking of giving some kind of tax benefit to middle class. Then how business leaders, business industries, how they will take this budget? So looking at this card, it is an indication that moving towards safety. So this budget will be for safety of people, thinking about caring and safety of people more than towards abundance and growth. This budget will be for safety and caring of people and taking economic towards safety. Then middle class, what will be their outlook? So looks like they will be busy in their daily working daily routines, and they will not be much enthusiastic with this budget. But yes, there will be a lot of things for farmers. We all know that uh, farmers protest were there, or so called some people in the name of farmers created mayhem in Delhi, and it was a very difficult day, 26 January, for Delhi police. But here in budget looks like farmers will be getting lots of good news, and lots of money will be set aside for agriculture, or for improvement of agriculture and farmers. So all in all, looks like they will be presenting a kind of a balanced budget, Nirmala Sitharaman and Prime Minister. So that's it. Hope you like this reading. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.